Have you ever been in a situation whereby your hair is falling out and you still can't find a remedy that can cure it, or you have bald patches and you still can't find a remedy that can cure that either? Your hair is breaking, your hair is not growing. Well, in today's video, I present to you all the most potent hair growth oil you can find in the internet. This hair growth oil is packed with over 23 ingredients that can really go a long way to strengthen your hair, promote hair growth, cure the bald patches on your head. It really goes a long way to repair your hairlines. Okay, this works for men as well. Please jot down all the ingredients that I'm about to mention in this video. They are all very important. If you're new here, stick around. Do not forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any upload. We are going to be using the double boiler method. I already have my pan. I'm using stainless bowl, please, so don't use plastic. Okay, we are using heat over here. So I have my black cumin seed, then followed by the clove. These ingredients really go a long way to promote hair growth. Then we have the fenugreek, hibiscus flower, in Nigeria it's called zobo leaf. Then we have the rosemary leaf, and also have the powder fenugreek. Okay, please jot down the ingredients that I mentioned. The names will be displayed on the screen. Okay, next on the list is garlic. Garlic is a simple remedy that you can find in the local market or in your kitchen, and it really goes a long way to promote hair growth. Garlic and onion peel or onion have similar nutrients that can really go a long way to promote hair growth. As you can see, I already have my onion leaf and some onions that are already chopped off. Okay, then I have the cinnamon sticks. These cinnamon sticks, please do not miss it. Then followed by the moringa powder. The moringa powder is very important for hair growth and also to strengthen your hair. Over here I have my fresh aloe vera and ginger. I already peeled off the ginger, washed it and chopped it off. Guys, do not miss all these ingredients. All right, so first of all I went on to add the onion peel or onion, then followed by the garlic. There's no particular way of adding all your ingredients, just probably add them anyhow you feel like adding it. There's no particular order of adding it. Okay, but one thing I have learned is that it's very important to steam up the ingredients first, okay, before adding the oils. Steaming up your ingredients to really go a long way to release all the nutrients. And over here, like I mentioned, I'm using the double boiler method. So as the water is boiling, the pan in the pot is getting hot and it's also steaming the ingredients. So I'm going to allow these ingredients to steam up for about 5 minutes before adding in my oils. Have you liked this video and have you subscribed? Please, if you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and also give this video a huge thumbs up by clicking the like button. It will notify other people that there is a hair growth oil that is being made over here. Any ingredients that you cannot find in the market, do not worry, these ingredients are also available for sale. You just have to send me a DM via WhatsApp or via Instagram to get it shipped to you as soon as possible. When you're done with the herbs, the next step is to pour in your oils. Over here I have the extra virgin olive oil in the darker bottle and in the lighter bottle. Please, you have to measure your oils. Okay, I didn't show the measurement in this video, and that is because I already measured my oils, and I also make my oils in larger quantities. So if you're making this hair growth oil, you have to figure out the quantity you want to make. And over here I poured in 3 bottles of extra virgin olive oil, then 1 of the smaller bottle of olive oil. Okay, so please measure your oils. They are very important. There are some oils that you have to put less and some there you have to put more. Over here I have the coconut oil, pure coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the oils you don't want to miss when you're making your hair growth oil, and that is because it really goes a long way to penetrate into your hair shaft and your scalp. Coconut oil on its own can really go a long way to strengthen your hair and promote hair growth when you use it the proper way. So please do not skip coconut oil. We have the pure almond oil. Please do not miss this almond oil because it's a lightweight oil that goes a long way to promote hair hair growth and also improve your hair texture. Almond oil provides nutrients to the roots and also conditions your hair. Because of the presence of vitamin E, almond oil tops it as one of the best oils to use when it comes to hair loss. So do not skip almond oil when making your hair growth oil. Next on the list is black seed oil. Black seed oil can be used to prevent hair loss, hair shedding, and balding. In case you are having thinning hair and hair shedding and you know fully well it's not something that has to do with your diet is intact, then you can use black seed oil to cure that up immediately. You can literally use only black seed oil when it comes to your hair growth and hair shedding. So if you have black seed oil in your possession, do not skip it, okay? Use it. And over here I poured in 2 of the black seed oil into my pan. Next on the list is kaka oil. Not only that kaka oil goes a long way to promote hair growth, it really goes a long way to prevent premature graying, leaving your hair darker and luscious. So you have to implement kaka oil in your hair growth oil recipe. When kaka oil is being applied on the scalp, it really goes a long way to stimulate blood flow all over your scalp. Next on the list is mustard oil. I already poured in 1 bottle of mustard oil into my pan. It helps for hair growth as well, and this is the extra virgin olive oil that I was showing you guys. I was telling you all before that I put 1 bottle of it, and I also added moringa oil. After moringa oil, next on the list is castor oil. I believe you all know that castor oil really goes a long way to promote hair growth, strengthen your hair strands, thicken your hair, stimulate your scalp. You can also use the Jamaican black castor oil. That works even better than the ordinary castor oil. So please do not skip castor oil when formulating your hair growth oil. Then we'll have the fenugreek oil. After pouring in all the oils, you are going to stir this up, allow them to infuse for 10 minutes. Please make sure to stir the mixture properly so that the oils and the ingredients will be well mixed inside. After 10 minutes, like I mentioned earlier, you bring it down, allow it to cool down, then you strain out your mixture. All right, so here is where the giveaway comes in. You are going to answer 5 questions, and if these 5 questions are correct, I'm going to pick 3 winners and I'll ship your oil or deliver your oil to your location within or outside Nigeria. Question number 1: which of the ingredients used in making this oil is known as zobo leaf? Number 2: mention the 3 types of hair porosities. Okay, there are 3 types of hair porosities. Mention them in the comment section below. Question number 3: how old am I? I have mentioned this uncountable times on my channel. How old am I? Question number 4: give me a genuine reason why you should win this hair growth oil. I just need a genuine reason why I should pick you as a winner of the hair growth oil. And lastly, what is my full name? What is my full name? Let me know. Of course, you have to be following me on Instagram, TikTok, and you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. A winner will be picked from TikTok, a winner will be picked from Instagram, and the winner will be picked from my YouTube channel. So good luck. The oil have cooled down, as you can see, so I'm straining it out with a strainer. You can use wig cap as long as you can catch all the ingredients that are used to make the oil, or you used to make the oil. You are good to go. This hair growth oil, like I mentioned before, also works for men and for kids. You have to be consistent in order for you to see results, so you can use them 3 to 4 times in a week in order to see quicker results. The remaining ingredients are going to be used to make another batch of hair growth oil. I'm going to be adding tea tree essential oil and lavender essential oil. You see these 2 oils, it will give you that tingling sensation on your scalp. Tea tree and lavender essential oils really goes a long way to promote hair growth, strengthen your hair, gives you healthy scalp. If you have itchiness, dandruff, or any issue with your scalp, these oils are there to save your scalp. Tea tree and lavender essential oil have to be diluted with carrier oils. That's why I'm adding them to this hair growth oil. Don't use them alone. Well, oils don't spoil, but in order to keep our oils from going rancid, we have to add in vitamin E oil or vitamin E capsule, which is where the vitamin E capsule comes in. And let me not forget to tell you that they also go a long way to promote hair growth. So it's a win-win. It helps to preserve the life shelf of your oil and also promotes hair growth. The last liquid that I'll be adding is my scent. This is a mixture of 3 different scents. Well, I'm not going to be telling you the scent that I'll be adding, but I can assure you that this oil smells so good. Then lastly, I added in my dry rosemary leaf. This dry rosemary leaf, or if you have a fresh one, please add it. It really goes a long way to give you a healthier hair, thicken your hair, or makes your hair fuller and promotes hair growth. After this, I'm going to pour my oil into a glass jar, or if you have mayonnaise container, in Nigeria is known as mayonnaise container, put your oils in there, leave it overnight so that everything will be well infused. I learned here from curly hair proverbs that when you leave your oils overnight to infuse, they even work better. You can give that a try. So these are the 250 ml sizes that I'll be giving away. If you haven't hopped on this giveaway challenge, then you are missing a lot. Just answer the questions. The best winner will be picked and I'll ship your products to you. If you want to purchase your oil, please send me a DM via WhatsApp at 090-5184-6475. There are 4 different sizes of oils over here that you can buy or purchase for your loved one, or you can also send me a DM on Instagram at bohair. These are the containers that I have to fill up. Okay, the oils are going to be made back to back, and I also have different products. I have deep conditioning hair mask, I have leave-in conditioner, and I have Ayurvedic tea spray. I also have hair bonnets. I can sell them in sets or in singles. The winners of the giveaway will be announced on my TikTok and Instagram stories, so please, you have to be following me on those social media platforms so that you get the latest informations. Okay, see you all in my next upload.